Today topic is heat loss per unit area. Given the problem, the wall material. Wall means furnace wall. The wall is made up of the three layers. One is the inner side and another one is the outer side. Then inside the middle layer. The inner side temperature is T1. Outer side temperature is T4. The middle layer temperature is T2 and T3. And given the value of K1. K1 means the thermal conductivity of material, that is inner layer material, and middle layer material thermal conductivity is K2, and outer layer material thermal conductivity is K3. Then given the dimension of the length of this wall L1, L2 and L3. Then given the value of HA. HA means heat transfer coefficient of inner side furnace, and HB is the outer side of the heat transfer coefficient. Okay, these are the given values. To find the heat loss per unit area means Q equal to del T overall divided by resistance R, where del T equal to maximum temperature, that is T1 minus T4. R means 1 by HCA into A plus L1 divided by K1 into A plus layer 2 length divided by thermal conductivity 2 plus A plus L3 divided by K3 into A plus L3 R. Then 1 by HB into A. This is the R. Then we can substitute del T and R values in Q. Q equal to T1 minus T4 minus R value is 1 by HCA plus L1 divided by K1 A plus L2 divided by K2A plus L3 divided by K3A, and finally the outer side 1 by HB minus HB into A. The heat loss per unit area, therefore the A statement outside Q per A equal to T1 minus T4 divided by remaining 1 by HCA plus L1 by K1 plus L2 by K2 plus L3 by K3, then finally 1 by HB. This is the heat loss per unit area in temperature in wall. Okay, thank you.